ओह वाह सर, यहाँ पे सर, टुवर्ड्स योर राइट यस।
Two, one, presenting the war of the DJs at Country Club Mumbai with DJ Ganesh and DJ Giant Glow.
Go through! Everybody in the house, media, come on, along with us! Kill it!
Hey!
It's DJ Ganesh! Yeah! Go through! Everybody in the house, media, come on, along with us! Kill it!
Hey!
It's DJ Ganesh! There's no respect.
ओके राजीव सर, सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, डेब्ट फ्री हो गया है हमारा कंपनी जो कंट्री क्लब है। और सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे, इस साल का जो न्यू ईयर है कितना खास, कितना स्पेशल होने वाला है? और
New Year में what my advice to everybody, all my colleagues, including my sons also, and this thing, you think country club, you eat country club, you sleep country club. I started this 35 years back. The best of my life has gone into the making of the brand, and it is very important to know that how is the consumer reaction. We are where we are because of the MGM people who use the clubs. They share their experiences. That is only the major reason why we are here, and it has grown exponentially. And I'm sure, I think, going forward, as I was telling you, we are right now at 4.5 lakh members. Our plan is to reach about 1 million members. That is about 10 lakhs in maximum period of five years. And also we were associated with almost 13 to 14 banks initially, and now it's become zero debt. We have closed all the accounts, and so this year we come back with a great energy, new energy, and we would like to address the new generation also. A lot of things have changed in the past few years, and today technology is the key. Digital marketing is the key, and we have embraced technology before anybody could even think. I was surprised when the senior banker yesterday told me that even this kind of a mix is not there with them, and with your one phone call away, you can book your holiday, you can book your health and fitness center or your favorite club and all that. So you understand how technology is playing a major role in digitalization, and I'm sure, I think, once we tie up with everybody, and it's going to be a sure shot winner. So I'm looking forward for this 1 million members.
All the very best, and hope we'll do it soon.
सिमरन, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, जो लॉन्ग एसोसिएशन कंट्री क्लब राजीव सर के साथ में रहा है, उसके बारे में कुछ बताएं? और इस साल का जो न्यू ईयर है कितना खास होने वाला है?
बेहद खास है, क्योंकि मैं हर साल कंट्री क्लब में रही हूँ 2016 से। इन इंडिया एंड यूएई एशिया का सच में सबसे बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन होता है, राइट फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड स्टार्स टू आर सुपर मॉडल्स टू आर स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनालिटीज़ टू आर मिनिस्ट्री से जो हमारे डिस्टिंग्विश्ड डिग्निटरीज आते हैं। बेहद खास रहता है. आई बीन कम्प्लीटली इलेटेड क्योंकि मुझे इतने फ़ोन कॉल्स आते हैं स्पेशली फॉर न्यू ईयर ईव कि सिमरन प्लीज़ हमें इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना, वी वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ कंट्री क्लब. एक और बात आप सबको बताना चाहूँगी, जैसे कि हम देखते हैं कि सारे के सारे सुपरस्टार्स हैव बीन एसोसिएटेड विद कंट्री क्लब. दिस इज़ अ गुड लक. सो कंट्री क्लब से जो भी एसोसिएट हो जाता है, I think the future is so bright. So I'm completely overwhelmed because I like to mention this. So 2016, I started my journey with Country Club, Pan India and UAE. My first event was Navratri event where I was invited, you unveil my book, and then the New Year Bash. And that time, New Year Bash in India and in UAE, we had all our Bollywood stars. We had 6 Bollywood stars, including 2 comedians who were there all across India and UAE. So all the Bollywood stars have performed here. So what I mean to say, and after that 2017, I was very fortunate to having been offered Filmfare, and 2019 IFA. So I've been actually a part of all the biggest events only after Country Club. So I'm very, very excited and thrilled, and I'd like to thank you, sir, and heartfelt gratitude. Humble thanks to you, sir. Thank you so much.
ऑल्सो डीजे से जानना चाहूँगा कि सर के तरफ से क्या ब्रीफ है और आप लोग क्या क्या तैयारी है आप लोगों की इस साल का न्यू ईयर जो कंट्री क्लब में है, कितना ग्रैंड होने वाला है?
तो सबसे पहले मैं थैंकफुल हूँ सर की, क्योंकि ऐसा समझो कि कंट्री क्लब ही मुझे लॉन्च कर रहा है यहाँ पर, ठीक है. और दूसरी बात है कि मैं 6 साल पहले आई थी कंट्री क्लब में मेंबरशिप के लिए, सो नहीं हो पाया था. बट मैं हमेशा से ये सोच रही थी कि नहीं, मुझे करना ही करना है, अंदर कंट्री क्लब का मेंबर बनना ही बनना है. फाइनली मैं बन गई हूँ मेंबर. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
वेलकम वेलकम टू कंट्री.
और बहुत धमाकेदार होने वाला है. प्लीज़ आप ऑल गाइज join 31st night country club with country club family. Thank you so much.
DJ Django is here with us.
So first of all, thank you so much, sir, for the opportunity you have given us. It's mean a lot to us. Like she said, after joining the country club, everything changes. So definitely for us also, it will change a lot, and we are doing our best. We are like working hardcore on the tracks. We are downloading it. We are working like continuously non-stop day and night. And definitely 31st, it's a very big night for us, and it's gonna be a killing night. So definitely everyone join Country Club family, and one love to Country Club.
Rajesh sir, tell us about your association with Virat Kohli's restaurant in Pune. If you can share.
Well, that is situated in the heart of the city, Country Club Goregaon Park. उसमें we have roped in Commune 8. That is Virat Kohli's brand, and it is really rocking Pune. In fact, we are also thinking of upgrading a lot of other properties to meet that standard, and it is nothing but branding and creating new propositions for the next generation.
And sir, your thought process about DJ wars, if you can share something about your idea of DJ.
No, this is an amazing thing because it's going to give a lot of competition. Now they have to compete with people in Hyderabad, they have to compete with people in Delhi, they have to compete with people in Calcutta. So it is some excitement we are creating for the benefit of the members and for the artists themselves.
Rajiv sir, how the app is helping to get more and more customers around?
Phone खोले के, just phone खोल के, if you go to the Country Club app, you will get the entire picture of Country Club.
All the country club, different country clubs pan India.
Yeah, so you can on the phone only you can book your holidays, and that is the reason we have made it very customer friendly. And believe it or not, the banker was telling me demo yesterday that this facility even though banks don't have, that facility we have incorporated and put it in the package in the cell phone. So members, wherever they are, any part of the world, they can download that app and then choose their holidays or events wherever they are.
You also said in the speech that you want to double your location, you want to come up with many other places also. But it depends on that, sir.
Well, right now we are very strong in the south, but we are now going to concentrate in the western markets, northern markets, eastern markets. In fact, I had just been to Sikkim where we have finalized a franchise property. Kitna beautiful hai yaar. I only feel sad when, small places like in the European countries or Bangkok, Thailand, what we are having in our own country, we are not able to appreciate. Definitely, we are going to set up our flag even in Kashmir also. We are looking out for good properties. I was there on October 2nd to celebrate my birthday, and I've got so much of beauty, so much of natural resources. I'm sure, I think there is a proper solution. Definitely, we are going to enter Kashmir also. Northeast, we have got a lot of response, and by the time we meet here next time, I'm sure, I think we will be doubling or tripling our properties.
You also give tribute to Zareen Khan, late Zareen Khan, is directing US.
Yeah, Zareen Khan is a good friend of mine. Sorry, was a good friend of mine. It was a shock for me when I heard that in the early morning news. And she was the one actually who collaborated with us to restore the original palace of the Prime Minister of Hyderabad back in the day. And she did not only the country club but also not only restored it to the palace of the Prime Minister of Hyderabad into a country club. She also did a lot of work for Amrita Castle and also Country Club Bombay. So it's a big loss for the country club, a huge salute to her. And yes, I think that's
so
something.
35 years you've given to your baby country club, and in fact, like you're planning for $1 million in 2 years. So how hard also challenging it's going to be?
It is definitely going to be a challenge, but I'm just telling you simple arithmetics. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 that is there, no? That is only an addition. But if you want to multiply, it is 2 into something else, something else, something else. I am trying to get, there are roughly about more than 2 crores only credit cards in the market. We are only trying to attract the bankers to get into a strategy mode where we can rope in a lot more members from not only India but outside the country also.
Okay. Okay, wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.